Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add motion graphics to reels using CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add motion graphics to reel using CapCut, all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut. After you go to CapCut, you need to import your video. You can start a fresh project, or you can simply start from the previous one. And once you have imported a video, you can use CapCut's built-in stickers. Once you have done this, you can also do the text to speech option, and once you have done this, you can also use the animation tools like in, out, loop animations, keyframes for positions, opacity for dynamic effects, or use custom graphics like PNGs with animation presets for simpler motion. Or you can even create advanced kinetic typography with layered text, position, blend keyframes, and effects like grow, motion, blur for complex designs, ensuring you set your project ratio to 9:16 for reels. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.